Sometimes even the best stocks get a little bit ahead of themselves. Today, we got a terrific quarter from Lumentum. It's a high fiber optics play with big data center exposure. And in response, its chief rival, Coherent, justifiably, I think, rallied 8%. Then Coherent itself reported an even better quarter tonight. But the stock was sold off at after-hours trading, I think largely just because it came in a little hot. The actual quarter was excellent, as you will hear. A really terrific top and bottom line beat. Management giving strong guidance for the current quarter. But the stock had run a little bit. Let's take a closer look with Jim Anderson, the CEO of Coherent, who's joining straight from his earnings call. Mr. Anderson, welcome back to Mad Money.
Thank you, Jim. Thanks for having me back. Great to be back.
Oh, it's good you're here. You know, this after-hours stuff it should not impact anybody because what really does matter, 34% revenue growth above expectations, gross margin up more than 200 basis points, really hard to do. And then, 12% better from the actual earnings. So give us some of the highlights. What's driving what I think are just fantastic numbers?
Yeah, so first of all, we're just really pleased with the results we had in our June quarter. That's actually the 7th consecutive quarter of record revenue, and we saw growth accelerate in our June quarter. We passed the $2 billion per mark on a per quarter basis, and the thing that we gave was guidance that we expect to be over $3 billion per quarter within the next 12 months. So the business is just performing really, really well. The demand is outstanding, and it's really being driven by AI data center and our data center and communication segment, which is about 80% of our total revenue. And that segment, if we look at our June quarter, grew by about 60% year over year, and we're expecting that growth rate to increase in the current quarter. So, we're on a great trajectory.
So give us a sense of what you're replacing in the data center, or why you're so much better than, say, 2 years ago in the data center, because it's clear that some things are really getting, are souped up, and you're part of that.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, one of the things that we're really excited about is we're seeing more and more of the use of optical networking in data center architecture. So as we're building these huge data centers, as we're scaling, more and more of the data that's being transmitted between the processors in the data center is being transferred using light instead of copper electrical connections. So we're seeing this big technology transition away from copper electrical towards optical networking over time, which is great for the industry and clearly great for us. That's really our expertise, is all of the optical networking technology that enables that data to be transmitted using light at the end of the day. And that is the most power efficient, fastest, highest bandwidth way to transmit data. And so we're seeing just when we look over not just the near term, but over the long term, we think there's just tremendous growth ahead of us.
Do you think we'll ever be able to replace copper with fiber, which would certainly be a much more efficient way to do things and certainly burn less hot?
Well, look, that's what's been happening over decades. The first telecommunications networks were built with electrical networks to begin with, but those were replaced with optical long ago. When we first built data center networks, the data center networks were all electrical. Now all of the connections between the server racks, they're all optical now. The electrical has been replaced. And now we're replacing the last part of the data center network that's still copper electrical, and that's within the racks of the data center. And that will start to convert to optical over time. And it's really just driven by physics at the end of the day. As you increase the data rate, you can't transmit that much data using copper, and you have to switch to optical connections because that's the most power efficient, fastest way to transmit the data. So this is just part of a long transition that we've been doing for many years, and really exciting for us because it's just a massive expansion in our addressable market.
Well, let's talk about that, because you're also really important when it comes to America and reindustrializing America. We want this technology here. I would like to think that this technology be American and not necessarily Chinese. But you have a Sherman plant. You have a history of a relationship with NVIDIA. Can we be, do we have to be dependent on the Chinese on this food chain part of the data center?
No, I think especially for the critical components, the very high intellectual property, very difficult to make components, we can absolutely build those in the US, and we're doing that today. Actually, Coherent was founded as a US manufacturing company over 50 years ago, and we're super proud of that heritage. Today, we have tremendous U.S. manufacturing footprint. Now, we do manufacture globally. We have global locations. We compete on a global market, but we have over 20 manufacturing sites here in the U.S. across many different states. And Jim, as you mentioned, one of our really flagship facilities is our production plant in Sherman, Texas. This is making some of the most advanced optical capability anywhere in the industry. In fact, it's the most advanced indium phosphide production plant. NVIDIA is a partner with us there. We had a groundbreaking on our expansion there in June. NVIDIA and Jensen Huang were there with me to do the groundbreaking. And so, no, I think this is a great proof point of, hey, we can build very advanced technology right here in the U.S., and we're really proud of that.
Now, on the NVIDIA deal, you have a long-term supply agreement. Sometimes I think, geez, who doesn't want NVIDIA's endorsement? That's the most important endorsement in the world. At the same time, your prices are going up, up, up. I mean, are you leaving money on the table, or is it just a great combination?
Well, look, NVIDIA's been a long partner of ours and a long customer. They've been a customer of ours for over 2 decades. So we've had a long history of innovation with them. And we're really excited about continuing to build that partnership moving forward all around integrated co-packaged optics. But we also have a lot of other customers. And so we're also supporting our other customers as well. And so, look, optics is just becoming more and more important to data center architecture, and we want to support NVIDIA, but we want to support the rest of our customers as well.
Okay, do you think reports on banning right now Chinese components from data centers? We're hearing a Reuters report about the Trump administration drafting a ban on that. Have you heard anything about that? And is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, I think it's speculative at this point, but certainly something like that would be beneficial to us. We're the industry's largest U.S. supplier of products called transceivers that go into data centers. But Jim, we always want to compete for our customers' business based on our technology and based on our production capacity. And so we think we have the best photonic technology in the industry. We have the widest and deepest portfolio of photonic technology. But the other thing is you pair that with our incredible manufacturing scale and the fact that we have this really important strategic footprint of U.S.-made manufacturing, over 20 facilities. We're really proud of that, and we think that combination is unique.
Well, I couldn't agree. I've been following your company for some time, and it's obviously a technological marvel. And you're terrific to come on our show. Congratulations on a great quarter. Jim Anderson, CEO of Coherent. Thank you, Jim. It's good to talk to you as always. Mad Money's back in for the break.
Thank you.
Absolutely.